Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. It serves as both a functional entryway and a key visual element that can set the tone for your entire property. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to enhance its appearance, replacing your front door can make a significant difference in boosting your home's curb appeal. In Jennings, where homes have their own unique charm, a new door can be the perfect way to refresh and elevate your property's exterior. Here's how upgrading your front door can make a lasting impact. First impressions matter. The first impression is often the most lasting one, and the front door plays a pivotal role in that. If your current door looks worn out, outdated, or doesn't complement the style of your home, it can detract from the overall appeal. A new, modern door can immediately grab attention in the best way. Whether you choose a sleek, contemporary design or a more traditional wooden door, the right style can reflect your personal taste and the character of your home, setting it apart from others in the neighborhood. Enhance home value and marketability. If you're planning to sell your home, investing in a new door can pay off in a big way. A home's exterior appearance is one of the first things prospective buyers assess when they visit, and a new door can increase their interest. A fresh, appealing door can convey that your home is well maintained and cared for, which may lead to higher offers and faster sales. Studies have shown that homes with updated front doors often sell for more than comparable homes with older, less attractive entrances. Increase security and energy efficiency. Replacing your front door isn't just about aesthetics. It's also an opportunity to improve your home's security and energy efficiency. Older doors may have cracks or gaps that allow drafts, leading to higher energy bills as your heating or cooling system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. A new door, especially one with advanced insulation, can help keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, making it more energy efficient. Additionally, modern doors come with better security features, such as reinforced frames, stronger locks, and more durable materials, giving you peace of mind that your home is safe. Add a personal touch to your exterior design. Jennings is known for its diversity in architectural styles, from classic ranch homes to more contemporary builds. A new door can be an opportunity to enhance the unique characteristics of your home's design. If you have a traditional home, a classic wooden door with intricate detailing or glass accents can elevate its appeal. For modern or contemporary homes, a sleek metal or glass door with minimalistic design can make a striking statement. You can even explore custom doors that reflect your personal style, making your home stand out in the best way. Complement landscaping and surrounding features. Its curb appeal isn't just about the door itself. It's about how the door fits into the overall exterior of your home. A new door can act as a focal point that ties together your landscaping, colors, and other exterior features. Whether you have a manicured garden, a cozy porch, or a modern outdoor living space, choosing a door that complements these elements can create a cohesive and inviting look. Adding decorative elements like stylish hardware, a fresh coat of paint, or an elegant entryway mat can further enhance your door's presence. A wide range of options to suit your budget. Another great thing about upgrading your front door is the variety of options available. Whether you're on a tight budget or ready to splurge, there are doors that can fit every price range. From affordable fiberglass and steel options to luxurious wooden doors, you can choose the material and style that best suits your preferences and budget. This makes it easy to transform your home's curb appeal without breaking the bank. Conclusion: in Jennings, where every neighborhood has its own character, enhancing your home's curb appeal with a new front door is a smart, effective way to boost its attractiveness and value. Not only will a new door enhance the overall aesthetic of your home, but it will also improve its security, energy efficiency, and marketability. With so many options available, there's a perfect door out there for every home and every budget. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy a fresh look for your property, upgrading your front door is an investment that will pay off in both form and function.